Watch out for your fishing pole. Huh? You want a beer? Easy, easy. What's that mud taste like? Oh, this is gonna make for a great Budweiser commercial right here.
Put the fucking camera away.
I can't. This is great. I can't afford to miss any more of this.
Jesus Christ, let's get a picture.
Want some vodka? No. No way. You haven't had enough. What are you drinking, a Bud Light? Make sure you put the lid back on it. I'm not putting the lid back on a bottle. There's no point to that. Stand up again so we can all see you fall. Come on.